Hello guys, today I am going to show you the fact that's really changed your mind. We know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, but today I am going to show you 2 plus 2 equals to 5. If 2 plus 2 becomes 5, means this is the prestige of mathematics. Now I am going to puncture the prestige of mathematics. Let's see how it became. What we have first taken, 2 plus 2 equals to 5. Now first we can write 2 equals to 2, 4 equals to 4, 20 equals to 20. So now I write minus 22 equals to minus 20. Can I? Yes. Now see. Now I write 16 minus 36 equals to 25 minus 45. When you subtract 16 minus 36, it comes to minus 20. When you subtract 25 minus 45, it comes to minus 25. Now see second step, or this is the equation, so we have to put the or. We assume this one. Okay, now comes to second step. 16 means 4 into 4, right? 36 equals to 2 into 9 into 4. This is 9 into 4, 36. But we put 2 here, means of course we have to divide by 2. Now it is balanced. 36 already. 2 A B. Now I remove this 2 from here. I put 9 by 2. 4 is alone there. Now it will come to, there is a 9 by 2. Okay. Now what we do? 9 by 2 whole square. This is putting me extra. So what we do? Subtract it. Minus it means this is balance. When we cut this one, this of course the 0. Now see, this is equals to, now comes to right part of this equation. What is the right part of this equation? 25 minus 45. So 25 means 5 into 5 minus, again we do like this, 2 into 5 into 9 by 2. See, first 5 into 9, 45. 2 cancel. Minus 45 is okay. But when we put I here 2, means of course I have to divide it by 2. So that is balance. Now again what I put here, plus 9 by 2 whole square. That is again I have to put minus 9 by 2 whole square to balance it. Is it okay? Okay. Now we move forward. What is 4 into 4 means 4 square. That is a square. Let's assume 4 as a. Now this is 2 into a. This is 4a. 2 into 4 into b. 9 by 2 is will assume as a b. Now again we write same 9 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 2 whole square. Same we had. So 5 whole square come from here. Now 2 into 5, 2 into a into b means 9 by 2 plus again 9 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 2 whole square. This is totally balanced. Now we see this part, a minus b, a minus 2ab plus b square means a minus b whole square. 2 whole square equals to 5 minus 9 by 2 whole square. Minus 9 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now we cut this part. So it comes like this. 4 minus 9 by 2 whole square equals to 5 minus 9 by 2 whole square. When we raise it by power 2. Raise both sides by power 2. Become like this. So this cancel. This 4 minus 9 by 2 equals to 8 minus 9 by 2. This cancel. This 4 equals to 5. That is 2 plus 2. Thank you. So is proof.